Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you have been a subscriber for a while, I am back with another video. I know it's been a minute. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this beautiful pink and purple eye look with the Makeup Revolution Mermaids Forever palette. This palette has 32 bright and vibrant shimmer shades in it, perfect for spring looks. Here it is right here. I also use one color from the Dream Street Kathleen Lights palette. This one has 12 shadows in it. It looks like this. I also use this blue mascara, which is a Makeup Shayla collab.
For all the times that you rained on my parade, and all the clubs you get and using my name. You think you broke my heart, oh girl, for goodness sake. You think I'm crying on my own or lying. And I didn't wanna write a song, cause I didn't want anyone thinking I still care, I don't. But you still hit my phone up, and baby, I'll be moving on, cause I think that it might be something I don't wanna hold back. Baby, you should know that my mama don't like you, and she likes everyone. And I never like to admit that I was wrong. I've been so caught up with my job, I didn't see what's going on, and now I know. 'Cause if you like the way you look that much, oh baby, you should go and love yourself. And if you think that I'm still holding on to something, you should go and love yourself. So mama don't like you. It got me upset, thought you was the best. How mama don't like you. Was it respect or something you said? She told me you ain't good for me, but I'm good for you. And now I see what it is she mean, and I'm over you. Look, I ain't even tryna argue, girl. You say you done, well, and are you, girl? Said you the one when I saw you, girl. I think we better apart now, girl. I don't wanna see you, no. Mama don't like you, and she likes everyone. And I never like to admit that I was wrong. I've been so caught up with my job, I didn't see what's going on, and now I know. 'Cause if you like the way you look that much, oh baby, you should go and love yourself. And if you think that I'm still holding on to something, you should go and love yourself.